Hello everybody, this is Katerina, I'm your Nordstrom beauty stylist, but today we're not gonna talk about beauty, we're gonna talk about Chanel bag. Yes, I just purchased amazing Chanel bag. Yes, Nordstrom selling Chanel shoes, bag. Whenever you want jewelry, we can send you and it's free shipping. And I decide I want to share with you because I really want you to show you how packages come, what's inside, and all these details. Okay, let's start. Okay, this is how it's arrived to my store from Nashville, because Nashville selling at Nordstrom Chanel. And let's open together. It's take I think 2 or 3 days, and this bag arrived to Tampa store. Okay, I just open and let's see. Ooh. Ta-da-da! Look at this beauty! Oh my god, so pretty! It's really pretty. I must show you this. Do you happy? I'm very happy. Yes, it is expensive, but sometimes we girls need to treat ourselves. Okay, and I don't even know what's name of this bag. I'm a little bit dummy doing for Chanel. You ask me about any Chanel makeup, I will answer your question, but we're gonna open together. I don't even know what its name model. By all what I know, it's black. Okay, and look at this how it's coming. Okay, black box. Look at this beautiful ribbon. Look at this details. Wow. Okay, let's open and see what's inside, right? It's really excited. And again, this is amazing brand new collection from Chanel. Okay, and believe me or not, I don't even know what's name for this bag. All I know it's price and color. Okay, let's open together. Voila. Okay. Wow. Kids have a logo Chanel. Nice beautiful Chanel paper. Oh, I don't know if you can see or not, if it says on the paper Chanel. Okay, let's open. Again, this is how it's look inside. We have a Chanel bag to protect your bag from scratching or damaging. You know, it's a lot of money, right? Again, one more. I really like these little details. Yes, you're spending a lot of, but you feel luxury. You feel it's not just like your regular. This is something very special. Ooh, let's come close to the camera. Oh, how beautiful this. Oh my god, look at these details. Again, we have a protection. This is, I actually really like it. They're sending you and you have a protection on this bag. Its price is 4,500. I wish, okay, and it's a flap bag. I don't know name, but this is how what it says on a label. This is what I like. Look at it. It says Chanel, and I don't even knew. Oh my god. Wow. Okay, I'm opening now. I'm opening with you. Again, it's a lot of protection here for this bag. I think I like this side. It's not too big, it's not too small. It's a perfect size. And you have also in the back little pocket where you can put your credit card or whenever you want. I'm very excited. Okay. Let's see how long this handle. I don't really want a crossbody. I want just like a regular one. Basically, it's a little bit looks like classic or classic bag, but I decided I don't want to go with classic because like almost everyone I know have. But this is so pretty. Love this side. Oh, I hope you're happy because I'm very happy. Okay, let's open and see how's inside. Okay, again we have here where's letter C, protection. You have a letter C, like Chanel logo inside. Really like it. Again, inside we have a big compartment, big room. Oh, and another one, you have 1, 2, and then you have also even more little pockets for your cell phone, or for your lipstick, or for your mirror, and also you have a little zipper inside. It's coming with a certificate, and you have number. It's very important, always keep it this. Also, you have another little number inside of your bag. I'm very happy. It's so pretty. I'm in love with this detail. It's a Chanel. I actually, when I saw picture, I don't even realize it's there, but let's go somewhere. I feel like I need to go and celebrate. Okay, I opened this bag. Look at this protection. It's right here, and what I like it. I remove it right now. Even right here, little detail, it's a Chanel. Also, we have protection here. It's very important. I like it's brand new bag, never been open. Again, if you like this bag, just let me know and I will send you home, and it's free shipping. Also, here's another details. It says here Chanel. I am so happy with my bag. Again, this is my first video, fashion video. I will name this because it's the first time I'm showing you my purchase. Very expensive for me, but I'm so excited. I do want to know we're selling Chanel at Nordstrom, and of course I want you to use your Nordstrom card because you're gonna receive lots of Nordstrom notes. And I hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe and share. Love you all. Bye.